Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Science. In today's assignment, we are going to do a little bit of review. Over the past several classes, our focus has been the ecological relationships and symbiosis. You've even applied these concepts in a laboratory investigation between a wolf and elk population. You collected data and illustrated the data on a double line graph. In today's assignment, Symbiosis color by number, it is for you to deepen your understanding of this relationship. What do you have to do to complete today's assignment? First, you have to download the following PDF into Notability. Make sure you include your name on the PDF. Read about each relationship. Circle the answer that describes the relationship. The answer you circle will tell you the color to use. Use that color to fill in the section of the color by number drawing with the same number as the question. When you have completed it, upload your final PDF into Canvas under the assignment heading. Good luck. If you need me, please contact me through Canvas message.